Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. In today's episode, we are going to an American football game together. As you can see, I am wearing a jersey representing the Ravens, the Baltimore Ravens. Baltimore, Maryland is my hometown, and I am here at my best friend's house, and we have a group of friends who are coming with us to the game. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to continue learning English with me, check out my ebooks and video courses. The link is below. I'm going to show you what the neighborhood looks like from the window. In my friend's neighborhood, there are townhouses, which are houses that are stuck together in a row. The weather is a little gloomy. There are many clouds in the sky, and there is light wind. It was supposed to rain, but luckily it is not going to rain anymore. The stadium is an outdoor stadium, and it would have been bad news if we were rained on during the entire game. I stepped outside onto the patio. As you can see, the wind is blowing. Let me show you what this patio and porch looks like. This is called patio furniture. It is meant for outdoor use. We have a grill. It is currently covered right now because it is not in use. These cars are parked under a carport, so they are not inside the garage. A lot of the houses in this area are made out of brick. So this is brick. Uh-oh, I just stepped in some water. So there's brick, and then that type of material is called siding. My friend has two sons, and they have a lot of toys. Can you see the Halloween decoration on the porch? There's pumpkins, that's a pumpkin, and a little, I think, ghost above it. I'm heading back in because it's cold. This is Cameron. Cameron, can you say hi?
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Can you tell me your name?
What's your name? Mom. Cameron?
Was that Cameron? Oh, he's a little camera shy. He is also wearing a Ravens jersey. So is Mama. I'm walking around the kitchen. Eugene. Eugene is also wearing a Ravens jersey. You're on camera. This is Julian, who's also wearing a Ravens jersey. You want to talk to the camera? Okay, come up here. Actually, some of my subscribers have requested that I talk to children. Hold the mic. What's your name?
Julian.
How old are you?
4.5.
What's your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, every time outside.
What grade are you in?
4th grade.
Very good. You did a great job. Thank you. Can you say, thank you for watching BoAi's channel?
Thank you for watching both channels.
We are going to head to the game now. I need to change my socks because remember, I stepped in a puddle. I will see you at the game. Say bye.
Bye.
We are outside waiting for the Uber. Here are my friends. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hi, Eric. Oh, the other three don't want to be on camera. Here's our Uber. We called 2 Ubers.
Yeah.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, thank you. We're getting in an Uber XL because we need extra space. Thank you.
Going to the stadium.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here with my friend Eric, and I have a couple of questions for him. Are you from Baltimore originally?
No, actually, I'm from Calvert County, which is a southern county in Maryland.
Nice. And what kind of work do you do?
I work for T. Rowe Price, which is a Baltimore-based company. I do technology.
Are you in IT?
I guess you would consider me in IT.
Okay. What do you like to do in your spare time?
I love things like woodworking, working in the yard, landscaping. I love playing with my son and hanging out with my family.
You sound like the perfect family man.
Thank you.
Have you always been a Ravens fan?
To be quite honest, I'm actually an Eagles fan, which is a Philadelphia NFL team.
Ooh, this is getting a little controversial. And so who are you going to root for today since we're playing the Los Angeles Rams?
Today, I'll be rooting for the Ravens. The Ravens are my secondary favorite team. My wife, Brittany, loves the Ravens, so I root for them.
Very nice. And earlier today, you said you had some questions for me. Would you like to ask me on camera?
Sure.
Okay.
My main question is, what is your target population that you want to reach?
Are you asking what demographic?
That's correct.
I am an open book, which means I'm open to any possibility. I don't have a specific age range or gender or geography that I would like to reach. I would just like to reach as many people as I can in the world to help them learn English.
That's very nice. My second question is, what got you started doing BoAi Slow English?
Great question. My impetus, which means my driving force or the reason why I started, is because I was learning French and I realized my favorite method of learning a language is through watching slow speaking vlogs. So there is a French channel, shout out to French Facile, who inspired me, and I realized that there is a niche in the English teaching market, slow speaking vlogs in English.
What is your favorite part about doing what you do?
I love the interaction with my subscribers. They provide a lot of feedback in the comments, and I like to cater to my audience. So lately I've been creating slow English cooking videos because that is what is interesting for them. I also enjoy the process of interviewing people, actually, because I get to meet new people and get to know my friends on a different level. And I've also really enjoyed editing because it's something that I had to, well, all of this I've learned on my own, but I feel like a DJ when I edit. Because if you look at my editing software, there's a lot of different elements in the software.
I share some of that editing, love for editing. I am a musician and I work with GarageBand, which is an Apple application, and I can build songs, multi-track songs using this software. So I share your love for editing. I was wondering, now that your channel is getting popular and you're gaining some great subscribers. What is next for you?
Wow, excellent question. I don't know. I really don't know because I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers. I have small milestones, which are goals. By the end of 2025, this year, I would like to hit 100,000. So currently, I'm gaining about 10,000 new subscribers a month. I really am not sure. Do you have any suggestions for me?
Let me think about that, and I will share them when I do have them.
Thank you. Well, right now we are in a tunnel. And when I was growing up here, there's a fun game you play when you go under the tunnel, which is you hold your breath because it is an underwater tunnel, right?
That's correct.
But we are almost at the stadium, I think. I'll just pan to the front. In Baltimore, do you call this a highway or a freeway?
I would call this an interstate.
Oh. Can you explain what that is?
An interstate is a highway that will go from state to state.
I noticed you have a little bit of an accent. Could you explain how your accent is a little bit different from mine now? Because mine has evolved since I moved to California.
So, as I mentioned before, I'm from Maryland. My mother is from Wisconsin, which is in the central part of the United States. My father is from Virginia, which is also along the East Coast, but more of a southern district, which has more of a southern drawl. So I pick up a couple elements from my mom and my dad. I've spent most of my life in Baltimore, so anything I've picked up and may sound like I'm from Baltimore, that's probably why.
With your accent, say the word O-C-E-A-N.
Asian.
How about P-H-O-N-E?
Phone.
How about O-N?
On.
How about G-A-S?
Gas.
So there is a popular saying, or this is a popular saying for me when I grew up. When I was kind of making fun of the accent out here, I would say, do you want to go to Ocean Hon? Because it has a lot of that O sound, which is the O sound here. And I would suggest to not get a Baltimore accent because it's a little difficult to understand sometimes.
To each their own.
Say it again.
To each their own.
Who understood that? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, Eric, for letting me interview you. You are excellent.
Thank you for having me and for answering my questions. See y'all later.
All right, we're almost at the game. I'll see you at the stadium. We're walking in something called Ravens Walk. It's like a parade of Ravens fans. We can also see there's some Los Angeles Rams jerseys, but it's mostly purple because we are in Baltimore, Maryland, and most of these people were born and raised here, and their parents and their grandparents were fans. So they grew up being a Ravens fan as well. We're in the stadium, and now we're going to find our seats. It's a little rowdy in here, which means that it's loud and noisy, and people are partying, and there's a lot of energy. Welcome to the Ravens Stadium, row 26. We're all the way up here.
Now taking the field, your Baltimore Ravens Tigers.
Woo!
the 6-yard line. Penalty flag on the field.
Holding, offense number 77, 10-yard penalty.
Come on. Boo! Yay! Let's go defense.
3, 2, 1, go!
Unfortunately, my team lost, but my husband's team won, so lucky him. If you would like to learn English with me, check out my ebooks and video course. The link is below. I will see you next time. Bye!